Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to my range. I'm Papa D, and yep, underneath all this snow is my rain. I have never shot in the snow before, so this is the first for me. I'm going to be shooting some metal targets with my Canik Rival-S and just seeing if I can make some things fly. Let's shoot a few rounds and see what happens. Oh, that was a lot of fun. I don't think I'll be able to find the brass. It went through the snow. I'll have to wait till it thaws out before I can take and find that. Now I can say that I can check that off the bucket list. I have shot targets in the snow. I'm going to say that it's cold, my hands are cold, and I'm ready to go inside. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is Papa D, and I will see you down the road on the next video.